How is your experience to reach Ahmedabad in ENGIMACH 2025?
Uh, Really, it is fantastic, and the way these facilities are there, it is really eye-catching and wonderful. I am really happy to come here.
How long, sir, you are associated with AceMicromatic Group?
I am associated from 2015 onwards, and this is my second company where I just using that Ace Micromatic machines from last 10 years.
Yes.
And it was really a wonderful journey and experience to myself and as well as for my team. It was really appreciated, the service team and the machine quality, all the things are really happy to share to you.
Which machines are you are using in your workshop?
We are using turning, grinding, HMC, VMC, means all the type of machines that Ace Micromatics nowadays having good capacity and good quality in market. All the machines family we are using, and in future also we are preparing to make some another proposal for means increasing the machining.
What your experience about AMG Group machines, sales and after service?
It was really wonderful. There are few companies that which gives the better service after the sales, because most often we see that most of the companies just forget and they just help in a normal way. But as my personal experience, Ace Micromatic, I always feel like as a family, because they always help us whenever we call. They always ready to help to us. So it was really happy for us that we are associated with you with so much machines, and happy to come in future also.
Thank you. Here most of stall having automation. In our stall also two automation, different type of two automation is there. What is your opinion about the future of automation?
See, automation is nowadays a demand. So it is obvious thing that we have to think over there and we have to go in the only solution of this today's demand. So yes, we are also planning for the automation, the gantry solution, the robotic solution, and we are also associated with Ace Micromatic here Ahmedabad team. So we are planning for it, we are taking proposal for it, and we will surely go for it. And it is really helpful to us for this ongoing demand to every organization.
You've gone through our entire store. How is your experience about my stall?
Yeah, it was really eye-catching, appreciated. All the peoples are helpful. We are enjoying. We are looking your new machines, the automation with the robot. It was really wonderful experience, and I am thankful to the whole Ace Micromatic team.